A penny for your thoughts.
Asking someone what they're thinking about.
Ace up your sleeve.
A secret advantage.
At the drop of a hat.
Immediately, without hesitation.
Back to square one.
Start over from the beginning.
Bark is worse than their bite.
Someone seems threatening but isn't really.
Beat the clock.
Finish something before a deadline.
Bend over backwards.
Make every possible effort.
Between a rock and a hard place.
In a difficult situation with no good options.
Bite off more than you can chew.
Take on more than you can handle.
Break the bank.
Be very expensive.
Busy as a bee.
Very busy.
By the skin of your teeth.
Barely succeed.
Can't make heads or tails of it.
Unable to understand something.
Caught between two stools.
Unable to choose between two alternatives.
Chip on your shoulder.
Holding a grudge or grievance.
Cry over spilled milk.
Complain about something that can't be changed.
Cut someone some slack.
Be less critical of someone.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Don't make plans based on something that might not happen.
Down to earth.
Practical and sensible.
Easier said than done.
More difficult to do than to talk about.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily lessons and contents, and while you do, hit that like button. It means a lot to me.
Eat your words.
Admit you were wrong.
Fall on deaf ears.
Be ignored or not listened to.
Get a grip.
Calm down and behave sensibly.
Give someone the benefit of the doubt.
Trust what someone says.
Go down in flames.
Fail spectacularly.
Hang in there.
Persevere through difficult times.
Have a bone to pick.
Have a complaint to discuss.
Hit the books.
Study hard.
In hot water.
In trouble.
It's a piece of cake.
It's very easy.
Jump the gun.
Start something too soon.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Watch carefully.
Kick the bucket.
Die informal.
Let sleeping dogs lie.
Don't disturb a situation.
Make a mountain out of a molehill.
Exaggerate a problem.
Missed the boat.
Missed an opportunity.
No pain, no gain.
You have to work hard to achieve something.
Off the hook.
No longer in trouble or obligated.
Alright, that's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I will upload lessons every day, so remember to subscribe. Also like this video. I'm so glad to be here helping you. Until next time, stay safe.